Photos of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 batteries has been leaked, which reveals larger than expected battery capacity. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as previous leaks suggested that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 will be bringing a minor upgrade in the battery capacity. Now the actual batteries has been photographed and it turns out that the upgrade will be bigger than expected. There are two batteries, both made up of Samsung SDI. One has the rated capacity of 2555 mAh while the other one has a 1040 mAh battery capacity. This brings the total of 3595 mAh rated capacity, but typical capacity will be probably labeled as 3700 mAh. That would be a 400 mAh increase over the Z Flip 3 battery or a 12% bump in capacity. That's not a huge capacity, but still it's going to be better and it will last longer than its predecessor. Considering that the 3D render indicates that the phone will roughly be as the same size as Z Flip 3 but a little bit thicker, and the reason is simple because we have a bump in the battery capacity, so definitely this is the reason we could expect a bit thicker body of the device. Rumor also suggests that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be receiving another battery upgrade, and that is going to be the charging speed. Yes, finally we are going to see an upgraded charging speed in the Galaxy Z Flip. Instead of having a 15-watt charger, we are going to see a 25-watt charging speed inside the device, which is going to be same as the S22. Also, the battery capacity of 3700 mAh is same as the S22, so it means that Samsung is going to be making the Galaxy Z Flip 3 as the alternative to S22. Just the camera sensor that are coming for the Z Flip 4 are going to be downgraded. Other than that, I think that Samsung is bringing the S22 in a foldable form. Live photos of the Galaxy Z Flip 4 has already been leaked, which confirms that it's going to be having a larger cover display, whereas the inner display is going to be same. Also, those live photos confirm that there is going to be a smaller hinge as compared to Flip 3, and it will be having a lighter weight than its predecessor. So guys, this is a great news that we have a bump in the battery capacity, but there is also a news that we have the same design, only minor changes are coming in this year Galaxy Z Flip 4, which brings to one thing that this time around we could expect Samsung will be bringing down the Galaxy Z Flip 4 prices up to $800 or $900, which is definitely going to be a big price cut for the foldable devices because it will increase the sale for Samsung in the foldable market. And you guys, what do you think about this new battery capacity? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.